If you've ever felt nervous going into a classroom as a substitute teacher, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some confidence tips that will help you step into confidence and really feeling prepared, in control, and ready to substitute teach. Tip 1 is prepare before you walk in. So prepare the night before. Confidence starts before you even walk into the classroom. Take a few minutes the night before, review what school you're going to, review the times that you know that you need to be there, especially. Get your lunch ready, get your water bottle ready, get what you're wearing out the night before. That way you are ready to go. You can wake up in the morning, shower, eat your breakfast, and go on your merry way. When you feel prepared, you are more confident. Tip number 2 is dress the part. They say, dress for the job you want. And I truly believe that dressing professionally does help boost your confidence. When you look put together, the students and staff are more likely to respect you. Not only that, you are going to be respecting yourself as well. Choose an outfit that makes you feel comfortable and professional so that you can focus on teaching instead of pulling and trying to get comfortable. Tip 3 is fake it until you make it. Even if you don't feel confident, act as you know that you are confident. You need to stand tall, make sure you are making eye contact, walk into the room with purpose. The reason why is those students will be walking all over you if you are walking in like you're standing in front of 10,000 people and ready to sing an Ariana Grande song and you're nervous as heck and you're shaking. They will notice that and they will try to make you run out of there as fast as possible. So as long as you walk in and you just pretend you know what you're doing, I've done this so many times, then you will be able to pull it off. There's a difference. You can walk into a classroom and be confident, and you could be, say, your high school honors chemistry. You can say to them, like, I don't know honors chemistry whatsoever. I know some things, and just letting them know that you are human and you don't know everything. They don't know everything. Their teacher doesn't know anything. Their teacher doesn't know everything. So therefore, like, you don't have to be perfect, but stepping into confidence and being just the best that you can be and just not doing like little things like that's when they are going to attack. So just wanted to distinguish that. Tip number 4 is establish control early. Establish control as soon as class starts. As soon as class starts. Make sure that you greet the students at the door, introduce yourself with authority, and go over the expectations right away. When students see that you're in charge, the class management goes a lot smoother. It might not be perfect, but it will go a lot smoother, and that confidence will shine. And the last one, tip number 5, remember that you belong here. If you were called in to substitute teach for the day, that means that they trust you to do your job well. You are just as valuable as the other staff and teachers there, and students and admin. So do not doubt yourself. Every time you step into a classroom, remind yourself that you are capable, you are prepared, and you are in control. You can even say that like this. Every morning, get into a mirror, maybe even before you go to school and you're getting ready for the day. Say this: I am capable, I am prepared, I am in control. If you say that at least 3 times and you repeat that every single day, you'll start to believe it and your confidence will come, I promise. So guys, I really hope that this helps you step into confidence as a substitute teacher and for you to become empowered within the classroom. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to confidence as a substitute teacher? Drop a comment down below. I will see you in this video right here.